Let's take a moment and look at the steps involved in call setup in a little more detail. First, you pick up the phone and the local switch detects that the phone is off the hook. At this point, the switch's supervision mechanism puts the line in seizure state. Seizure state just means your phone has taken control of the line. This term is left over from the days of party lines in which multiple houses were connected to a single phone line. The first person to pick up their phone would seize the line, and the other users had to wait. Back then, many times others would listen in on the wire during your call, which is not a very polite thing to do. It's actually why they called it a party line. Today, when you pick up the phone, seizing the line just alerts the phone switch that you're ready to make a call. The next step is addressing the call. Now, this is accomplished by simply dialing the number. As I mentioned before, the type of numbers and the length of the number determines how the call is processed. Next comes the call progression. Once the number is dialed, the connection request is forwarded from the first switch to all the other switches that are involved with the call. Now, this can be just one switch or scores of switches across the world. One of the great things about the phone system is it was built so any phone in the world can communicate with any other phone in the world. Once the call has reached the final switch in the path, several things can happen. The call might be picked up by the recipient right away. If the recipient is on another call, call waiting is activated, or an answering machine may pick up, or the call may even be forwarded to another phone. Or, finally, the phone could be busy and you get that famous busy signal. Here's an interesting fact. Have you ever tried to call someone and received a different kind of busy signal? A very fast busy signal? It's not the phone you're calling that's busy. It's the phone lines themselves are too busy to set up your connection. This typically occurs on Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Mother's Day when people are making a lot of calls. You see, the phone system was never designed for everyone to talk at once. It would be far too expensive to build the phone system that way.